Sometimes, in spite of precautions, electrical shocks do occur. If you want to help the shock victim, your first concern has to be for your own personal safety. It's important to never touch a shock victim if they are still in contact with the live conductors to avoid becoming part of the circuit yourself. Quite often, a victim of electrical shock experiences muscle contractions that prevent them from releasing the energized conductor from their hand. Turn off the power disconnect to de-energize the circuit. If you are sure the power is off, move the victim away from the danger zone. If needed, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, known as CPR, should be started as soon as possible. You should administer CPR only if you have training. Needless to say, getting CPR training could help save someone's life someday.